This is number 10 that says, a pen holder holds 10 pens, 3 of which do not write. If 4 pens are selected at random, A, find the probability that exactly 2 write. Well, remember first that the probability that any one writes is going to be 7 out of 10 because there are 3 that don't write, which means there are 7 that do write. So to answer question A, exactly 2 write, we have to consider the fact that 2 can write, but how many are we picking? 4. The other 2 do not write. But there are lots of combinations of 2 that write with 2 that do not write. So we're going to want to figure out the number of combinations of 4 with 2 that write. This can be calculated using the handy-dandy NCR button on your calculator or using the formula. Take n factorial, which would be 4 factorial, over n minus r factorial, which would be 2 factorial, times r factorial. So there are 6 combinations of 2 writing pens with 2 non-writing pens. So the probability that the first pen selected will write is going to be 7 out of 10. You're not going to put that pen back, so now there are only 6 writing pens left out of a total of 9 pens in the container. Okay. Now there are only 8 pens remaining, and we want the third pen to be a non-writer. There are 3 non-writing pens still left in the holder, so that probability is 3/8. Now there are only 7 pens left in the holder, only 2 of which do not write because we took 1 out. So we're going to need to multiply these probabilities together to get one of the combinations of 2 writing pens with 2 non-writing pens. So I multiplied my numerators together, multiplied my denominators together, and got the probability of this particular combination to be equal to 252 out of 5,040. Now I have to consider that there are 6 different arrangements of 2 writing pens with 2 non-writing pens. So I'm going to need to multiply that by 6. So 252 times 6 is 1512 out of 5,040, excuse me. And if I want, I can change that to a decimal or percent by doing the division, and I find that there is a 30% chance that 2 of the pens will write and 2 of the pens will not write.